Oh, tell us a story, Sophia. What did you dream about during your nap? Oh, yeah? What else? And then what happened? Yeah? What else? No kidding. Really? What else? Wow! Tell me more! No! And then what? You did what? Oh, I like that story. Okay, tell it to me again next time, okay? Let me know what you dream about later. Okay. It's a deal. Say bye to all your friends.